It's 2024. If you're an entrepreneur, consultant, independent contractor, or some type of content creator, you need to have your own YouTube channel. And here's why. First, search capabilities. Millions of people are searching on YouTube for your niche, your content, whatever you're selling, offering, or creating content about. So you need to be on YouTube. On top of that, Google owns YouTube. So sometimes search results actually show YouTube videos. So if your video is one of those that's ranked for that search item, your video might show up. YouTube is also another way to get more visibility for your business, your brand. So if you want to just raise more awareness or reach more people with your message, YouTube is an excellent place to share content. And you can do it as a video. You can even post your podcast on there. So it's a great way to get more eyeballs, more reach on your content and on your message. It'll help you make a bigger impact for your brand. On top of visibility and reach, you can also use YouTube as a lead generator. For example, if you've got an ebook or a free course or a checklist or something that you want to offer for free that could help people in that particular video topic to dive deeper and learn more about that topic with something that you can offer for free as a lead generator. And then you could take those emails and upsell people or set up one-to-one calls or offer your services to them after they're already in your email list. Yes, you could get clients from YouTube. I've gotten coaching clients from YouTube that found me on YouTube and have paid me to help them grow their brand and their business. And the fourth reason you need to be on YouTube is it's increased in flexibility. So before it used to just be long form videos, and now they've got shorts, which are under a minute. You can also put your podcast on there, like I mentioned a little bit ago, and you can also do live stream videos. There's also a community section. You could just put regular posts where you could post photos and other content. So it's increased in its flexibility so that no matter what type of content that you create, or if you want to do a blend of those, which I do recommend, you might be reaching people in any one of those areas, or you can be reaching them in a combination of areas. So there really is no reason for you not to be on YouTube. If you have a big resistance, let's say, to doing live videos, okay, well then do long form videos, do pre-recorded long form videos. If you've got a resistance to doing long videos, then you can do shorts. If you've got resistance to doing shorts, then you can do long videos. If you've got a podcast, stick it on YouTube. So it's really increased and helped to make it more flexible for creators who have multiple ways of creating content. And also for creators who want to create many different types of content. And if you'd like to create your new YouTube channel and have my mentorship to help you get to 1,000 subscribers and beyond and get your channel monetized, I have special limited time packages to help you with one-to-one coaching as well as group coaching. And I hope that you'll take me up on the offer and allow me to help you grow and monetize your YouTube channel. And if you learned something from this video, you'll also enjoy this one as well. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.